Are you looking for a simple way to track your money, build savings, and actually stay on budget without complicated spreadsheets? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are diving into the Empower Budget app. And we are going to show you whether it's actually worth using. So before you download another budgeting app and connect your bank accounts, let's take a closer look at what Empower actually offers and whether it lives up to the hype. So, let's begin. Empower is a financial dashboard that links all your accounts in one place so you can see what you own, what you owe, and where your money is going. It gives you a cash flow view and basic budgeting, showing you your total monthly spending versus your income, but it doesn't enforce strict budgets per category like some competitors do. Now, to begin with, all I have to do is click the Open an Account on the top right corner because this page gives you options to get started and you'll need to choose one of them. First up is going to be the workplace. You choose this if you are currently saving through your employer. This is where you will go. The advice is something that if you have over 100,000 in investment assets and want professional guidance, this option connects you with a financial advisor. And then we have the accounts. Now you have multiple options here. You have the Empower Personal Cash, which is going to be a high yield cash account designed to make your money work harder. Their Premier IRA, an option with a wide selection of mutual funds, perfect if you want a simplified retirement investing experience. The Brokerage IRA gives you access to stocks, ETFs, and more, which is ideal for hands-on investors who want full control inside their retirement account. And then you have the Premier Investment, a great starting point for beginners who want to invest without heavy upfront costs. And the Brokerage Investment, which is going to be ideal for investors who want flexibility outside of retirement accounts. In today's video, we are focusing on the Empower Personal Dashboard because this is one of the most powerful free options. This tool gives you the ability to track spending, build a budget, monitor investments all in one place, completely free, and it's perfect if you want better visibility into your financial life before committing to all these paid services. All I have to do is click the Get the Tools. This will forward you to a new page. All I have to do is provide all the information needed and follow the on-screen instructions. Now at this stage, you will be asked a series of questions designed to help Empower customize your experience right from the start. Don't worry, this will only take a few minutes and it's actually a very important steps. Now these questions are meant to better understand your financial situation, your goals, and what you're hoping to achieve. Now, at this point, you need to link your bank account so that Empower will give you a personalized experience for the platform. And by answering these questions honestly and accurately, you're allowing the platform to tailor the dashboard, insights, and recommendations specifically to you. Instead of showing generic financial data, Empower uses your responses to organize your account in a way that makes sense for your unique situation. Now, the platform is very clean, it's intuitive, and it is straightforward. You have sections on the top menu. And let's begin with the overview section, giving you a snapshot of your entire financial life in one place. So you will see your total net worth, linked accounts like your bank, credit cards, loans, investments, recent transactions if there is, spending summary, and investment performance if connected. So think of this as your command center, the first place you check to understand where you stand financially today. After that is going to be the account. Now this shows you all of the financial accounts you connected to the app. For example, if you want to open an account, let's say you wanted to choose maybe a checking and savings or a credit card or a loan, student loans, mortgage, auto loans, investment loans, retirement loans, you can connect it here. You can click into each account to see the balances, recent transactions, and trends over time. The goal here is visibility, ensuring everything is one secure place. Now we're gonna go back again to the homepage because we are going to the budgeting. Now it has two subsections. Number one is the budgeting, which helps you control your spending and manage your income effectively. How? Because with this, you can set spending limits by category, groceries, dining, or subscriptions. And then the cash flow gives you the feature of showing you the money coming in, like your income, or your money going out. If you want to unlock your cash flow, click the blue button, enter your bank name, because this will help you answer the big question. Are you spending more than you're earning? This is extremely useful if you are trying to save more, pay off debt, and build an emergency fund. After that is going to be the planning. So it has multiple subsections focusing on your long-term financial goals. So you have the retirement planner. Now, the retirement planner is asking you to connect new account. Okay, you need to provide all the information needed, and you can put a new scenario. For example, the new scenario is something like this. It's copied from your plan, and you can simulate past recessions. Now, it will ask you whether you are on track and how your current savings may grow over time. Click the Done option. Starting from age 69, click the Done button. It will run simulations based on your income, saving rates, and investments. Okay, that's going to be for the retirement plan. And then after that is going to be the savings planner, helping you plan for emergency funds, big purchases by creating your savings plan. Connect your account so that you can set targets and track progress toward each goals. And then you have the retirement free analyzer. Now this tool reviews your investment accounts. You need to link an account first so that it will help you identify hidden fees, expense ratio, how fees impact your long-term growth. Even a 1% difference can cost you thousands over time. So this tool can be an eye-opening. And then after that is going to be the investment checkup. Now it helps you evaluate your current asset location. Click the Find It button so that you will have the risk level, diversification. It compares your investments against an ideal portfolio based on your goals. For example, put in your date of birth, which is great for making sure you are not too aggressive or too conservative in terms of the investment. Another helpful tool is the advisor. It connects you with a financial advisory services if you qualify. All right, so 𝗕𝗂𝗏 offers a wealth management services for users within the higher investment balances. So you can speak with a financial advisor, you can get a personalized financial planning, and access the professional portfolio management, all for free, which is optional and available if you want expert guidance. And after that is gonna be the tool for the currency, which is 𝗕𝗂𝗏's educational content hub. Here, you will find financial tips, market updates, investing insights, budgeting advice designed to help you improve your financial literacy. And then the last section is going to be the taxes, helping you understand tax impact on investments, estimate capital gains, and of course, estimate and review tax-related documents. If you wanted to see more and get more insight, you can do that. You can view sample report or schedule call on one of the 𝗕𝗂𝗏 financial advisors. It's useful for planning smarter investment moves and avoiding surprises. Having said all of that, if you wanted to create your savings plans, you can do so by providing some information. Create your savings plan here, enter your bank, add manual account, select your account type. For example, if that's going to be home, address, and follow the on-screen instructions. But basically, that's a wrap on our full review of the 𝗕𝗂𝗏 Budget app. If you find this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more honest financial app reviews, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment below. Let us know which budgeting app you are currently using. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.